And the Jewish holiday of Sukkot serves as a reminder of the 40 years when the Jewish people wandered in the desert. During this holiday, one Kurd congregation in Israel held a colorful outdoor festivity to mark the occasion. Our very own NTD's Elzabella Shung takes us there.
Kurdistan is the geographical area that spreads out over parts of Turkey, Iraq, Iran, Syria and Armenia. Most of the Jewish Kurds immigrated to Israel during 1950. Today the community consists more than 160,000 people that are scattered all over Israel, with a majority that is located in Jerusalem. This community strives to preserve its tradition, culture and the Aramaic language. This Sarane festivity conveys the care for nature by celebrating it with folk songs and dances. Yet a major part of the festivity is simply enjoying outdoors with family members and friends.
This is a community with a lot of character, and I'm proud to be a part of it. A member of a diligent and devoted community where its people don't need others, just themselves. People are doing things for themselves, for the community and for the country.
Mordechai Yona screened the movie From Exile to Salvation, which presents the Jewish way of life in Kurdistan as it was in the past. Mr. Yona believes this movie can help the younger generation to preserve their heritage. This year, the participants in the Sarane festival were mainly young people. We noticed one man in particular who stood apart from all the others. He danced the whole evening and encouraged others to join the people that were dancing in circles.
The responsibility of the leader is to lead, and also to watch other people's steps within the circle that I lead them in, and not to open any gaps. Since the rest of the people within the circle are holding hands, I'm the only one who can move freely.
The duration of the melody, though, surprised me. Each music piece lasted for about 15 minutes, so no wonder the leader was soaking wet. Isabella Shung, NTD, Israel.